Nollywood actor Yul Edochie's side chick Judy Austin Moghalu is pregnant for him. Oh, hey, my people, now welcome to my channel. Oh, this is Maureen Gist TV. All my returning subscribers, say kpoko for una. If you are watching me for the first time, I beg, if you never subscribe, make you hit the subscribe button. Oh, so that anytime I upload video, you go get notification, my people. Nollywood actor wey dem dey call Yul Edochie na wow, rumour don come out to allegedly na just something when e be say e dey reign now for social media. The thing just come out dem say Yul Edochie don pregnant im side chick wey dem dey call Judy Austin. Say this side chick no come dey appear for social media again for since almost 2 months again, because when dem carry out the rumour, say when the whole news just break out, say Yul Edochie don give am belle. Now I come say wow. My people in case if una no know who be Yul Edochie na Nollywood actor wey be say dey act film. Na Pet Edochie's son, na him be the last born of Pet Edochie, very handsome cool guy. My people this whole thing wey be say I dey hear, the thing just dey shocktalize me. Why I say I dey shocktalize be say Yul Edochie na one of the Nollywood actor wey be say everybody like, and na very very responsible actor. When I say responsible actor, e don marry and Yul Edochie get one beautiful daughter when e don big. I dey tell una, Yul Edochie quick marry, responsible guy. He quick marry. He is married to im wife wey dem dey call May. This May no dey act film, e no dey into showbiz. Yeah, but two of them, they dey live well. Now Yul Edochie marry, so and God bless the marriage with children. And by October they go do they always celebrate their marriage anniversary. Yul Edochie like im family well. They always flaunt im family for social media. He love the family well. So if actually say this thing na really say it happen, because before this blogger when they call Kuti Joe put this thing for social media, I'm sure say they know say yes, this thing na true. Because if not be true, I don't think say they go publish am like this. So if actually say you pregnant this inside chicken, and be say you don't fall hand, you fall hand yakata, you fall hand well. If not true, because this whole thing allegedly, as far as I'm concerned, you will never confirm and you will never respond. We never hear you respond. Neither Judy don't come out to come respond. So I go dey give an update if any of them actually come talk about this whole thing. For now, allegedly. So Yul Edochie na one of the Nollywood actor when he be say everybody like when people like well, and he has a responsible wife and children. I don't know how the wife go come feel if actually this thing are true. And if this whole thing are true, may you know say some of all these ladies them be like devil. They go just look finish. See family where be say they live happily, they go just go scatter them. I know say they go say now Yul Edochie na go toast am, now Yul Edochie go toast am, but he no say Yul Edochie get wife. Why he go come go get belle for Yul Edochie? Why? I no mean say I dey support say make man wey be say they with his wife go dey carry wife outside or go dey get side chick. No, I'm not in support of that one. But if it be say you come make mistake, come go toast am, you know say you too fine and people they like. In fact, babes agree on well because the guy get doings. So being that the guy get doings now, and a lot of if he be say he check girls, they no go fit say no because they like the guy. The guy fine, the guy handsome, the guy na rich cool dude. So as he be say he don toast this babe, why will this girl go carry belle? Una no fit just chop clean mouth. Which one be the one be say una go hook person? Una go hook person to scatter person marriage. Now so some years back, now so the one that they call Ebinabo, I go look for a picture, I go put am on and say one Nollywood actress when they call Ebinabo Ferebesima. Now so e go carry belle for person husband, an Nollywood actor, wey dem dey call Fred Amata, scatter Fred Amata marriage. Since when e scatter that marriage, na so her career take scatter. We no come dey hear about Ebonabo Fred Bensima again. Ebonabo come enter kirikiri when e go buy one person when they say e drink. Since that time, they carry am lock for kirikiri. Since that time, Ebonabo Fred Bensima hide himself. They choking herself for one corner. Nobody dey even dey hear a matter again. Nobody even know that she dey exist again. She just go into thin here, just go hide herself. So there's a repercussion for all this kind of thing. Even the man self wey dey do. So but me, ma just tell na my mind how I see this whole thing. The way I see this whole thing be say, I just believe say this thing na rumor, because I no believe say you wey be say get home training. Na the godfather himself, the godfather son, no, na him be this Yul Edochie. Na him train this guy. So I no believe say the godfather son go fit do this kind thing to him family, in lovely family wey be say him cherish like another thing. So if e be say true say this thing na rumor, and this blogger wey be say go carry this thing come out, if na I just wan just believe say this thing na rumor, because I'm not finding it very funny, because this Yul Edochie na one of the actor wey be say I dey like am well. Na my that is I been one of the fans of this actor. I just like his acting, everything. Even though sef say I no dey watch all this Nollywood movie. Na the truth be that I can't even remember when I watch a Nollywood movie last. E don tey. So my country people, how una see this whole thing? Because this side chick matter, e don dey be like say Satan, the devil, don already crown some kind girls. They crown them, say make them go into the war and start to dey scatter people marriage. Now the thing wey be say the devil show them be that. So I never really know about this in side chick whether they call Judy Austin. I don't know too much about her, but the whole thing get as e be. So make I just read the way some people react to this thing. Someone say, how true is this article? Confirm this story first before you judge. It is only a fool that sees something and start talking without confirming it. Yes, so na true. Una know say why we dey torchlight this whole thing be say, na our work now we dey do. Once we see gist like this, we must come torchlight am. That is why I dey tell una say this thing na allegedly. We never really confirm am. Yes, we never confirm am. Somebody say Sugar Daddies Association of Nigeria, no be small thing. Somebody say we appreciate your help in improving our readers. No, that na another this thing. And wow, the thing get as e be. Somebody say I wonder. Congratulations for what? Anyway, it can't be true. Now, me I just believe say this thing not be true, because you too dey responsible. You, if this thing are true, now be say you don't fall hand well. If fall we the fans hand. I'm not surprised. Somebody say, I'm not surprised. Somebody say, even you. Hey! Now wow, why somebody say, so you not hear say make all sugar daddies fall back to base. One man don already go. If your new girl no kill you, your wife go kill you. All sugar daddies should fall back to base. Please, one man is already done. I repeat, one man done. Let's fall back to base. And now so one person can't talk am. My people, now here I won't stop. What are your thoughts? Leave your comment for comment section. Share this video, like this video if you feel like. Have a wonderful day. Bye.